Mastering modal verbs in reported speech. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of modal verbs in reported speech. Modal verbs are incredibly useful tools for expressing possibility, probability, permission, ability, and advice. And when it comes to reported speech, they can change their form and meaning. So, let's get started. In reported or indirect speech, we often change modal verbs to accurately reflect the speaker's original meaning. It's important to note that the changes in modal verbs are not always necessary, and they depend on the context and the time reference. Let's consider some of the common changes in modal verbs. Will often changes to would. Can changes to could. May becomes might. An example could be direct speech. I can help you tomorrow. And in reported speech, it could be, he said he could help me the next day. You might wonder, where do we actually use this in daily life? Well, it's more common than you think. Imagine you are recounting a conversation with a friend to another person. Instead of using direct quotes, you paraphrase what was said. In these situations, you often use reported speech. For example, direct, Sarah said, I will come to the party tonight. Reported, Sarah said she would come to the party tonight. Or another one, direct, Tom said, I can finish the project by Monday. Reported, Tom said he could finish the project by Monday. In these examples, we can see how the modal verbs, will, and can, change to would, and could, respectively. Now let's try a little exercise. I'll give you a sentence in direct speech, and your task is to convert it into reported speech. 1. I may go to the concert, Mike said. 2. Lisa said, I must finish my homework before dinner. 3. I might visit my grandma next weekend, Kate told me. Remember, practice makes perfect. All right, that's it for today's lesson on using modal verbs in reported speech. I hope you found this lesson useful. As you can see, mastering reported speech with modal verbs can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll get the hang of it in no time. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.